What up, what up, what up? What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. I know it's been a little bit. I was having issues uploading anything to YouTube. So, now that I finally got it all sorted out, I don't know if you can even see that my computer's just bugging right now. So, whatever the case is, we're working through it. I had to re-upload and do everything a few times, just a few days over and over. But yeah, we are still looking to finish all this. Goal is to still finish all this. I know I've been trying to finish it by end of week, but wasn't expecting what happened with all that we were going through. And then I was thinking I probably will finish the rest of this HTML, off screen the computer basics, and then I do want to start the CSS, but also along with the CSS, I do want to do the I'm gonna start the Python certification as well. I do want to start that. Um, just because I just want to learn the backend. Um, some more backend stuff. So that's why I want to learn the Python. But yeah, let's get into it now. So we're going to continue the responsive web design certification, continue learning. We're going to build an event hub. So build an app that is functional, similar to this project. Try not to copy the example project. Give it your own style. This lab, you'll utilize HTML semantic elements to create the structure of a web page. You'll add content and an image to make it look like a real event. All right. So inside, you should have a header element. Header. Header. Inside the header element, you should have an H1. H1 says event hub. Event hub. Oh, this is how you know I'm rusty. I don't like that. All right, cool. And then we're going to do a nav with the okay. Says we need to do a nav with, you should have an unordered list. Oh, come on. UL. All right. Do an li now. All right. Cool. LIs, upcoming events, past events. All right. All right. Oh, shouldn't have done it that way. Bam. All right. And then each link, each ref. Okay. All right. Remember we did this. A href equals. This one was upcoming events. A Cool. All right. And then this one, going to do an A. href equals. All right. Let me get this done. Past events. You should have a main. Cool. I don't like how that looks, but whatever. Cool. So that's done. All right. Oh, this is the head. Headering is done. You should have a main. Main. All right. Main with what? 2 sections. All right. Let's copy that. Do that. Space those out accordingly. All right. So we have 2 sections, and then these are gonna have the ID with attribute upcoming events. Oh, okay. D equals upcoming events. ID equals, what's this, past events? What the hell? That's so awkward. All right. And so in here we're gonna put oh. Inside you should have inside the upcoming events section. I think I'm doing this right. So I should have an H2 with upcoming events. Events. H2, and then 2 articles. H2 with the text, and then 2 articles. Oh, what? Let's copy this. Okay, we're doing H2 as well here. It was an H2, right? Yeah, it was an H2. All right. We'll focus up on this first, and then we'll get everything else started. Okay. So, yeah, 2 article events. Each article event should represent an event, and it should have an H3. Okay. H3. H3. I don't know what's the next holiday here. I think Valentine's is the next day. And then a P, you know. Yep. And just put the next holiday. The day. And then do this one is next. What is the next? I don't know what the next holiday is. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. So we're just gonna put Memorial Day. Memorial Day. The width. P. The holiday after. Section H2. We're gonna do past events. Events. Should have an H3. We're just gonna start that. B. New Year's. H3. Oh. I am just tripping right now. New Year's Day. Alright. And we're just gonna copy and paste this. Alright. Bam. And then an image element with the source pointing to the alt. Why's it in here? ing. Computer. I wonder if I have to do it for both. I'm not quite sure, but we'll just do that. I think we did everything. Oh. I think I did it correctly. We shall see. The second item in the unordered list should be past events. Past events. Upcoming events. Okay. Did I spell it wrong? Let's see. LI. Okay. I don't think I spelled it wrong. No. Why isn't this passing? I don't know why it's not passing. Let's take a look. Just We'll copy and paste it. I don't know why it's not passing, to be honest with you. Bam. Okay. That should fix that, actually. Okay, so 10 and 11, that's cleared. Okay, your first ID, upcoming events. All right. So none of these cleared. I don't know why. Okay, so that's okay. Let's see. The first one, it says your first section should have an ID attribute with upcoming events. Oh. Oops. Let's do that. That'll probably clear almost. There we go. All right. Yeah, so let's take it back. So the reason why none of these were passing, because the ID was wrong. I put the hash symbol in front of there. You don't need to do that. And then so as soon as I cleared that, I got the feeling that was going to be the issue, but I couldn't quite tell until everything cleared. But it seems like everything else that we did for this seemed all right, just because we did get the passing. So glad we were able to get that going. All right, so semantic HTML review. Let's go ahead and do that, and then we're going to do the quiz as well. Header, main element. Define the heading section of the document. Figure. I'm pretty sure we've done all this, right? So I feel confident in it. We'll go ahead and skip that. Not to say we're gonna wing it, but I really do want to see what it is. Navigation structure, content rather than presentational discern HTML. What is presentational? Overall layout. I think it's this. What is the role of the pre-element? No, I think it's at the top. Pre-formatted text. What is the role of the H1? Shows the most important stuff. Element. I think it's that. What is the role of the address element? It's used in the footer. Use contact information. What is the role that holds no semantic meaning? Oh, div. Which following element is used to represent a specific moment in time? Time? What is the typical case of the Ruby element? That is for the little things at the top for Asians. Asian characters. Which element is used to highlight words in summaries or key product names and reviews? If I wanted to highlight it, I think it's B for bold. What is the role of the U element underline? Inline text that is non-contextual. What is a following element that is used to represent an extended quotation? Block quote. Which of the following elements is used to provide a description or definition for the term inside a description list? DL. Which of the following elements is used with a code element? Uh-oh. think it's E. I think it's pre. Which of the attributes is used to translate dates and times into a machine? Why is it important to not skip heading levels? Confuse screen readers. Okay. Which of the following is a deprecated presentation of HTML element font? Which of the following is used to represent navigation links, nav? Which of the following elements represents a description term inside a description list? DT. What is the role of the I italicized? Idiomatic. Which of the following elements is used to emphasize text? M. Which of the following is used to specify a source of the quoted context of the block? Cite. Let's go! That's what we like to see. All right, guys. I think we're going to leave off on the high note for this. You guys like this kind of thing? Feel free to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.